Water pollutants. The presence of any foreign substance, inorganic, organic, biological, or radioactive, which alters the physical, chemical, or biological properties of water, which constitutes a health hazard or decreases the usefulness of water, is termed as water pollution. Water pollutants. Various pathogenic microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, etc. also enter into water bodies through sewage and other waste. These microorganisms causes various diseases such as dysentery, gastroenteritis, hepatitis and cholera, typhoid, etc. The synthetic organic compounds such as pesticides, insecticides, fungicides used for industrial and domestic purposes, chemicals such as detergents, phenol, acids, alkalis, etc. present in the industrial waste are major pollutants. The waste from the industries like sugar, paper, leather, textile, pharmaceuticals, etc. also contains a variety of synthetic chemicals. Most of these are toxic and kill aquatic organisms. The municipal and industrial waste thrown into water also contains various metals such as copper, zinc, lead, mercury, etc. and the metallic compounds. And the inorganic chemicals also enter into water bodies in the form of natural minerals. The acid rain adds sulfates, nitrates to water bodies. Nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers added to the agricultural land also enter into the water bodies. Most of the metallic compounds are toxic and produce poisoning and kill aquatic organisms. Sulfuric acid present in the acid and industrial waste make the water acidic. The water containing sulfuric acid corrodes the metal and concrete. The increase in the level of fluorides in drinking water causes fluorosis, a bone disease. Prevention. Wastewater treatment technology should be adopted before throwing water into the water bodies. 2. Dilution of wastewater before it discharged to the water bodies. 3. Sewage water can directly be used for irrigation. 4. Sodium salts, phosphorus compounds, phenolic compounds, mercury, etc. present in the polluted water can be removed by using special techniques such as adsorption, ion exchange, osmosis, electrolysis, etc. Too much use of pesticides for agricultural purposes should be avoided. The flow of domestic sewage, human excreta into the water body should be checked. While washing and bathing in rivers, lakes, ponds, etc., the detergent should not be used.